Hey everyone, I'm Amy from craftcuts.com, and today I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to choose the best wood letter thickness for your project. We offer our wood letters in thicknesses ranging from 1/8 inch to 2 inches, but how do you choose? The thickness of the letter refers to the depth or dimension from the front of the letter to the back. So the first question you need to ask yourself when choosing your letter thickness is how far you want that letter to come off the surface of the project. This thickness will vary per project. Most of our customers are shopping for wall letters for home decor. We generally suggest 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch thicknesses for wall letters, but 1/4 inch tends to be more popular because it's lightweight and stays balanced in relation to most heights, even if you're going big. It will also enable you to safely mount your letters. Speaking of balance, usually the smaller the letter height, the thinner you'll want to choose. 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch are great options for those tiny letter projects. If you're planning to paint your letters, don't forget that our 1/8, 1/4, and 3/8 inch letters are all laser cut, so the edges will arrive darker and take a couple more coats of paint. If you prefer not to worry about the burnt edges, be sure to choose a thickness that's at least 1/2 inch. As you move up in thickness, the letters will provide a more bold statement and be slightly heavier. If you are looking for letters to stand or lean, say on a mantle, you might want to choose a more prominent thickness, like 1.5 to 2 inches. These thicknesses are router cut from multiple layers of wood pressed together, so they have a cool layered ply design on the sides that can be left as is or paint them. Just remember, in most cases, multiple thickness options will work for your project needs and will still look fabulous. I hope this information was helpful in choosing your wood letter thickness. As always, our customer service team is here to help if you have any questions. See you next time.